Hello everybody, this is Ishan Sangvi. Welcome to the fresh new episode of Stocks to keep an eye on. So for this week we have four stocks. I have filtered out four stocks. Out of the four stocks, three are on the buy side and one is on the short side. So let's start with the today's stock. So the first stock we have is the NMDC Limited. We'll start the analysis of the stock. So we'll as usual we'll draw the trend line that we see the pattern. So you can see clearly that the stock has broken the counter trend line. The second trend line would be the support area. So one can observe the following things: higher, then out. So this shows that the stock was consolidating for a while, and now is ready to give the bigger move. As I've already said in the previous videos, that consolidation is required for any upcoming future big moves. So a nice consolidation has been seen in this stock. So the other points we look at that are the volume profile of the next new consolidation zones. So the volume profile for NMDC would be from this region to the latest region. So as you can see that the stock is trading near the point of control, that is around 86 rupees. The stock above this will give a nice breakout, and the POC will become the strong demand zone. Let's draw the rectangle, that is the demand zone. So you can see that 81 to 86 is a nice demand zone, and the stock has also consolidated well in this demand zone. So the stock above this price, that is the previous resistance is also, that is 87 by 3.35. We can see new upper areas in this stock. So the targets can be the swing high, that is around 95, and the risk should be of around near 86, that is around 6 points, and target is of around 8 points. So the risk reward is also up more than 1:1. So one can consider this stock for going in the long positions. And the next points also, the volume on Friday closing was also nice. The volume was above average. The RSI is also trading above 55, that is it is trading above the 55 area, that is it shows the bullish signs. So yes, consider NMDC for the target of 95, and one should give the stop loss around 80 D1 levels. The next stock we have is the Voltas Limited. Let me select this. So the Voltas, the CIP level, that is the change in polarity level, is around this price, 640 areas, 640, 645. Sorry. So let's draw the consolidation areas in this stock. The first consolidation area is this. The range of 425 to 480. That was a low zone. That was a lows that all stocks faced during the COVID-19 pandemic. The stock broke out with a nice volumes. So we'll check the volume profile for this stock now. The volume profile we draw is from the breakout area or the highest volume zone to the latest. So yes, the stock has bounced from the POC levels. So let's mark the POC level, that is the ideal buying area. It is 553. The stock has bounced from the POC level. That means there is demand in this price zone. So the price zone can be this. So we can see that the demand zone for the stock is from 540 to 565 levels. The stock is also trading above the consolidation range. So we can see the upper area targets around 645. That is the next CIP level. The volumes on Friday were also above the average, and the RSI is also trading above 55. Sorry, that is not trading. The RSI is also above 55. That is, it means it also shows the signs of bullishness. The next stock we have for the for buying side is the Muthoot Finance. Sorry, Muthoot Finance Limited. You can see the drastic change in volumes for the past 2 days and also in the last month, that is 1 month before. So I'll explain you. Let me erase the drawings. Okay. See, the stock was in the consolidation zone for a nice one. This is the consolidation area. It broke the consolidation area, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, all the stocks faced a nice downfall. So from that, it formed a low over here. From that, the stock was rising at the very nicely. So the next consolidation zone is this area. The stock also broke this consolidation area, and it was trading over this. After the consolidation, the stock also gave movement from 830 to 1000 levels. To check the volume profile, we will check from the highest volume areas to the latest one. So the highest volume areas for this stock was around the 15-17 June. So yes, the stock has bounced from the POC level again. So this is the demand zone, that is the 1082 to 1172. The demand zone was for around 100 rupees. That means the stock consolidated in this region for a while for the 100 rupees. And the stock has comfortably broke the consolidation zone with nice volumes. The RSI is also above 655, again signs of bullishness. So as explained earlier, and you know the concept that I have learned of volatility contraction. So there are two big candles. The stock move very fast. So for ideal risk reward ratio, one should wait for volatility contraction and then enter at the half of the big green candle, and with few quantities, and the rest quantities should be entered above the high of this previous candle. So the stop loss should be around 1084 and entry should be around 1173. The stock can give a nice move till its previous high, that is around 1280 to 1300 areas. So a nice reward of 100 points and risk also around 100 points. So yes, one can consider this stock in adding there. One can not take the delivery of future, but can take some stock in cash market, few quantity, and keep till 100 levels. So this will give them a nice reward. Okay, so we have completed the stocks for the buying side, and we have only one stock left, that is Zeal, that is Zee Entertainment Limited. That is on the bearish area, bearish sign. So let's search that. So Zee Entertainment, I have talked about this stock 2 days or 3 days ago on my Twitter channel, on my Twitter thread. So one can follow me on Twitter. I keep sharing the charts in between of the week. So observing Zeal, we see that this is the counter trend line, and this is a normal regular trend line, upside trend line. Zeal has broken the triangle pattern, or say the downward trend line, and it was falling down. So now drawing the volume profile, we'll draw the highest volume zone to the latest. So we see that the POC, that is the point of control, is around 175 levels. So the POC has now become the supply zone for the stock, and the area, that is the high volume nodes, is this area. So just until the stock is trading below this region, the stock is bearish only. So one can consider shorting the stock in this region. I will draw the pattern placement of the stock. So ideal risk reward will be around this, and we can see levels of 130, and one should keep the stop loss around the swing as previous swing is 185. So ideally the risk is only of 10-15 rupees, and the reward is of around 40 rupees. So yes, the risk reward, consider risk reward also, it is nice, and the RSI is also trading the below 45 level, so that is the signs of bearishness. So yes, if one is holding a Zeal, one can exit that position and book profit or book a minor loss. Or if one has nice capital and has the proper risk management according to his appetite, can short the future lot or buy a put or short call and make some money in Zeal. So yes, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any doubt regarding any chart, or if you want any if you want any analysis regarding any stock, one can ping me on my Twitter or my Instagram. I will mention the links of my social media handles in the description below. So if you are if subscribe to the channel, if you are new to this channel, and I will keep posting my stocks to watch out for the next week or every Saturday. So yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me.